I'll cite a study, Stephen Kamroda, he's a director of research for the Center of Immigration Studies. September 2023, he found that between 2017 and 2019, this is when Trump was in office, there was a reduction in illegal immigration, which coincided with a 3.2% increase in median weekly wages for U.S.-born workers, in contrast to slight declines in the prior 4 years when illegal immigration was higher. So there is evidence to show that this wage deflation caused by illegal immigration is adversely affecting the American worker. And so the point being this, the key is offering wages that align with labor demand to engage the available workforce effectively. To tag on to Tejola's point about economic strain, let me cite two examples. One particular example was by an investigative reporter. Her name is Emily Copy. She compared the Oregon State Police Healthcare Fund with illegal immigrants between 2025 and 2027. She looked at the budget, and the Oregon State budget, you can go look this up, Oregon Health Authority, the Oregon officials expect to send $1.5 billion in combined state and federal taxpayer dollars on a program that offers health benefits to illegal aliens versus $717 million to the Oregon State Police. That's literally double the amount of money you're spending on illegal aliens. Again, we're Christians, we're believers. Do we love people? Yes. Do we believe they're made in the image of God? Absolutely. But there comes a point where you have to ask yourself, is this right? Is this just? Right? And so there's a nuance there in how we approach theology and public policy. Second example I want to cite is this. New York City hospitals, you can look this up, 2023, nearly 30,000 migrants paid visits to emergency rooms or hospitals. The cost for that is being funded by Medicaid. Well, who's paying for Medicaid? It's you and I. Again, do we love people? Absolutely. But I also love that drug addict in Kensington, Philadelphia, who's laying on the street. I also love my inner city communities where the health clinics and facilities are eroded. I also love my fellow countrymen in rural America that don't have good access to healthcare. And so my case in point, as a Christian, as a believer, I love people, but I want to make sure that the people in my own country are taken care of adequately. And so there is an economic strain that is adversely affecting domestic American citizens here.
I'll add a couple more stats at you guys. Just pull them up quickly. And you could look all this up. This is from the American Immigration Council. In 2023, documented immigrants contributed about $89.8 billion in taxes to the U.S. economy, right? Which is a huge number. This is by FAIR. You could look this up. An estimated 82 billion, so 100 billion more came in from tax expenditures for illegal immigrants. So this is how much the government spent to support illegal immigrants. There's also an additional 5.8 billion in food stamps that was given for illegal immigrants. Tax credits claimed by illegal immigrants in 2022 was 13.4 billion. So this notion that illegal immigrants are contributing to our economy, it doesn't really hold up. They're withdrawing more than they're contributing.